In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy a Discord user ID. If you need your Discord user ID for troubleshooting, moderation, bot setup, or developer-related tasks, the process is actually very simple. The main thing to know is that Discord keeps this option hidden until developer mode is turned on. Once that setting is enabled, you'll be able to copy your user ID in just a few clicks. To get started, open Discord and go to your Discord dashboard. This is the main home screen where you can see your servers, messages, and account controls. Make sure you're logged into the correct account before moving forward, especially if you use more than one Discord profile. Next, look down at the bottom left corner of the Discord window and click the gear icon. This opens your user settings. The gear icon is the shortcut to all of your account preferences. So if you ever need to adjust privacy, appearance, or advanced settings, this is where you'll go. Once you're inside the settings menu, look at the left-hand column and click on Developer. This section contains tools and options that unlock extra features, including the ability to copy unique IDs. If you don't usually use Discord for technical purposes, don't worry. This is still safe and straightforward. After that, find the developer mode setting and toggle it on. Turning on developer mode doesn't change how your account works for regular chatting. It simply gives you access to extra information and actions like copying IDs for users, channels, servers, and messages. Now that developer mode is enabled, go back down to the bottom left corner and click on your profile again. This will open the profile-related menu where the new option becomes available. At this point, you should see an option to copy your user ID. Click on Copy User ID and Discord will automatically save that ID to your clipboard. That means it's ready to paste anywhere you need it, such as a support form, bot configuration page, or moderation tool. And that's it. You've successfully copied your Discord user ID. If the option doesn't appear right away, double check that developer mode is still turned on, then reopen your profile menu and try again. This is a quick process once you know where the setting is, and after enabling developer mode once, it'll be much easier to access IDs in the future.